Tired of bulky wallets and slow checkouts? Let's ditch the plastic and dive into the world of seamless payments as we explore how to set up and use Apple Pay in Saudi Arabia. First things first, you'll need a compatible Apple device that includes iPhones with Face ID or Touch ID, Apple Watches, iPads, and Macs. Make sure your device is running the latest version of iOS, watchOS, or macOS. Now, open the Wallet app on your iPhone. It's usually on your home screen, or you can find it by searching. Tap the plus button in the top right corner to add a new card. You'll be prompted to either use your camera to scan your card or enter the details manually. If you choose to scan, hold your card within the frame and let the app automatically capture the information. It's super quick. Alternatively, manually enter your card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Double check everything to make sure it's accurate. Next, you'll need to verify your card with your bank. Apple Pay works with a wide range of banks in Saudi Arabia, including Al Rajhi Bank, Saudi British Bank, SAB, Riyadh Bank, and more. The app will guide you through the verification process, which usually involves receiving a one-time passcode via SMS or email. Enter the passcode when prompted to activate your card for Apple Pay. To add a card to your Apple Watch, use the Apple Watch app on your iPhone. Go to Wallet and Apple Pay, and follow the same steps to add your card. Now, for the fun part, making payments. When you're at a store that accepts contactless payments, look for the Apple Pay or contactless symbol on the payment terminal. Double-click the side button on your iPhone or Apple Watch to activate Apple Pay. Authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Hold your device near the terminal until you see the done checkmark and hear the confirmation beep. You've just made a secure and convenient payment with Apple Pay. So ditch the bulky wallet and enjoy the convenience of Apple Pay in Saudi Arabia. Say goodbye to fumbling with cash and cards.